Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Corner. Today I am going to show you some chocolate garnish for cake decoration. Let's get started. First of all, take 100 grams of chopped white chocolate and microwave for 30 seconds. Pour it and level it on the plastic sheet with the help of palette knife. Make marking with comb or cake icing tool which is easily available in market. Then keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to cool it down. Take 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate, microwave it for 30 seconds. Pour melted dark chocolate and level it with palette knife. After 10 minutes, make some cut marks in vertical stripes. Roll it and tie with thread. Refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Now take the second sheet and repeat the same process. In half of another sheet, give check marks of 1 into 2 inch. Another half portion cut mark with round circle and heart shaped. Refrigerate it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I have taken out all the cake chocolate garnishing. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.